How's it going, everybody? It's 4th of July weekend, and we are here at Target in Nightdale. So, haven't really hunted in this week, so I'm doing a little bit of hunting today on Saturday. So I'm going to hit the Target here in Nightdale. Going to hit a few places in Raleigh, not exactly sure. There's a Wal-Mart close to here. I'm going to probably go there. And maybe a couple more Wal-Mart's, Targets, possibly going to the Lego store also, and not sure where else. But anyway, let's mainly looking for Star Wars right now. That new Black Series wave with Cosco Reeves, already seeing that is out, and it's hit North Carolina. I noticed somebody locally recently picked up 0, but I'm hoping to find that wave. Still haven't found the retro Cara Dune from the Mandalorian, but Hasbro Pulse has just charged my account for that figure, so that should be shipped out pretty soon. So I'm really not looking for it anymore. Still hoping to find some G.I. Joe retro Cobra Troopers, possibly Walmart. But anyway, let's go in and see what they have here at Target in Nightdale. Couple Panthers.
Like the kids and stuff to buy.
We've probably got Black Series here, still drawing Black Series, and 3 3/4 inch. It's all the WWE. All the same stuff I've seen in our stores. Shameless, Series 54. Oops. Santa Garza, there's from the Rays, Jeff right there. Kildor and Fernandez 2-pack. There's Flash, 2 Flashes, Batman, Starbuck. Oh, I have Transformers here. Some verse of one Dynamo. Yeah, well, everything's Target. There's no G.I. Joe, especially 3 3/4 Marvel, and Shang-Chi. Got anything here? This Dark Brown for to feature here. Frankenstein. No the boys either. So they got G.I. Joe here at Walmart down here in Raleigh. Same net figures. Shit. Just a couple of Cobra Commanders. Let's go up here see what else I have. Bought. About same stuff. Last time I was here, this one more. This one I found that batch wave. There's retro figures. G11. There's 2 Brave Cargos and there's 1 Kill. Let's see, Black Series. They do have 1 Boba Fett. Let's say the less Boba Fett. Got 1 Black Series Kill, 2 Grave Cargos, there's 1 Archive Luke, got 1 Akbar, there's Transformers, RED, so it's basically wave 1 and wave 2. So that's Cheetor. figures. Oh, I got much here. This is my skateboard. No AEW figures. This is what I left behind. I'm half a mil yellow. And a Tony Hawk skateboard. Just find random stuff in toy out lately. I don't know why. But let's see. Kingdom, I got one RC from the new wave, and just wave 1 Kingdom figures here. Ooh.
Those are Legos.
2 Calicos. Here's Bellcat. What I got here? First time seeing Bellcat. Transformers. RCs. That's all I got. DC has a couple of flashes. I mean, I don't really know what's supposed to be out for DC beyond the Justice League wave. That's the newest thing in South of DC. Let's see. Marvel, Shang-Chi, about the same stuff. That's Modoc. So over here. Oh, that's Roblox and Halo. There's more Kildor and Kronos. There's several of those here. There's a bunch of Panthers too, and
I thought a bigger car would mean.
that's Ghostlands.
Yeah, I was like, the only thing I could possibly think that they would make those people little kids is that they would eat them.
Still more great cargoes and keels.
How does he two? Not even. Not even two.
WWE. Something like that. Farms. I went too back. I'd love to get that, but I think that's still $50. Nothing else new. There he is, the Artificial 2 Brown. That's one thing new to see. We'll do a price check on that, see if it's still 50. If it's price has gone down, I may get it.
Your child's love of reading starts with I Can Read books. I can read. I can read.
Nothing here. Farms. I went too back. I'd love to get that, but I think that's still $50. Nothing else new. There he is, the Artificial 2 Brown. That's one thing new to see. We'll do a price check on that, see if it's still 50. If it's price has gone down, I may get it.
Your child's love of reading starts with I Can Read books. I can read. I can read.
Nothing here. So this is still 50. I just realized the outer box was missing from this one. This is out of the box for some reason. But anyway, this is still 50. So I'm gonna pass on it. I'm a little bit sleepy here. But anyway, I'm gonna just get it done. outro out of the way. Just want to show you what I picked up today and this week. I didn't pick up anything at Target or Walmart today. Didn't really find anything new other than the Masters of the Universe, Skelly God, and the Battlecat. First time I seen Battlecat store. And saw a bunch of the new Chronos and Keldor 2-packs. But no new G.I. Joe, no Cobra Troopers. I was hoping to find a Cobra Trooper, but nope. No new Star Wars Black Series or no new Transformers. Speaking of which, believe it or not, the new Studio Series Slag is out. So I saw on Instagram, Man Cave Collectibles has found him. I don't know where he found him at yet, but I'm sure he'll post a toy video soon. He's in North Carolina also, but I'm interested to see where he found Slag at. He said it was at Target, but I don't know which Target. But I'm just curious to see where he found him at. So hopefully that means that new Studio Series wave will show up soon in my part of North Carolina. But anyway, let me show you what I picked up. So I did get some Lego sets from the Lego store. I did not film it in the Lego store today because it was a little bit busy, and my Lego store is very small, so I didn't really want to bother anybody while I was in the store. But I picked up a couple Marvel sets. So I got the Marvel Carnage helmet and the Shang-Chi Battle of the Ancient Village. These two sets I've been wanting to get for a while, just haven't pulled the trigger on them. But one of the main reasons I went ahead and get those two sets is so I could get this set. So this is the promotion for the Lego Adidas Superstar. So this is a build of a small Adidas sneaker, and you got this minifigure with it, which is the Adidas Superstar. So you have to spend at least $85 in order to get this set, and the Carnage helmet was $60, and the Shang-Chi set was $40, so that was $100 sales. It would get that set. So there is a bigger Adidas set out now. That's the main set that's out now, and if you get, I'll show you a picture about right here. So that set's $8. If you get that set, you automatically get this set for free. So this promotion is just started this past Thursday, July 1st, and runs through the 14th. So from the 1st to the 14th, you could get this set if you either buy the white Adidas Lego shoe set or spend $85 on other sets. So I got a couple of things in the mail this week. The new excuse me. So the new Star Wars Vintage wave has started to hit Walmart. So I got in the mail from Walmart this week Pat Blue and the ATST driver. And the card on this one's been up a little bit, but I opened my figures up. Anyway, so it don't matter to me if it's been up or not. I already got the Indoor Leia. I got that on my last toy hunt, if you saw that. So that wave is at Walmart right now. I believe there is a shipper I saw online in Sleeping Collectibles on Toy Hunt video that he found the Vintage Wave in a shipper at Walmart. So if you're looking for that wave, it should be in a shipper in your toy aisle at Walmart. And I got one last figure to show you from GameStop. I got the Gaming Greats Jedi Fallen Order. What was that? Flame Trooper. My brain went blank there. It's the Fallen Order Flame Trooper. So this came early. It was supposed to come out like September, I think, for me. So I got this very early from GameStop, and this was like $25, I think. And that is it for this toy hunt today for 4th of July weekend. I hope you have a great holiday weekend. Please be safe out there. Please remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so. Don't forget to like and leave me a comment. Let me know how your toy hunts are going. Let me know what you're finding in your stores. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Dark Prime Toys. Be safe, guys, and I'll see you next time.